So today I am going to share with you the reality of English language. How people achieve fluency and how people speak English language fluently, and how we can achieve fluency. How I am achieving fluency and how you can achieve fluency. If you are thinking to speak English language, if you are thinking to learn English language, if you are thinking to become a English speaker, a great English speaker, so my friend, this video is only for you. You know what, so many people who want to learn English language, but they think that I can learn it, I think in 1 year, 6 months, 4 months. So first of all, let me clear this point. Just if you really want to learn English language, first of all, cast out this thought from your mind. Okay, cast out this thought first of all, and just be patient. Be patient if you really want to learn English language, if you really want to speak it. Okay, this language is going to take a lot of time. You know, it's gonna take a lot of time. We are going to learn English and we are thinking that okay, in this much time I can speak it, in this much time I can learn it. But no, there is no any specific time for this language. You know, we have to be perseverant, we have to be perseverant, we have to be patient, we have to be passionate, we have to be passionate, we have to, speak it every single day. You know what, first of all, let me tell you one thing. If you really want to speak this language, if you really want to learn this language, so let me tell you the main points actually. See, first of all, it takes the time to understand this language. First of all, we have to give our time, we have to spend so much time to just understand this language. Once we are able to understand the language, then we think that now I am able to understand, and along with that you may be able to understand, you may be able to speak some of the things also, right? You know what, we have to speak so much. If you really want to become a fluent speaker, it takes so much time. See, I am speaking, I know very well that I am not fluent at all. I am just speaking and I am facing many problems. I am just struggling while speaking English language right now. Okay, so to become fluent, what to do? My friend, I have been speaking English language for a long time. It's been 2-3 years. Okay, I have been speaking, but I did not used to speak for a long time. I did not used to speak as I speak my mother tongue. And to become fluent, to think in English, we have to speak it every single day. We have to just use it as a mother tongue. If we are doing something, just think in English. We have to think in English. It's not a kind of any course, any type of time, like in this period of time I can learn this. There is no any specific time for this language, and it's not end. There is no end of this language, I would say, because the more you will learn, the more you will speak. Okay, so there are so many things in this language, but yeah, once you become able to understand and speak, then you can understand easily that how long time it can take and how long time it's gonna take, to become much fluent, my friend. The point is, if I talk about the point, see, we think that if we practice every single day at least for 2 hours, 1 hour, so we can speak it and we can learn it and we can become a fluent speaker. So according to me, I would say, if you are speaking at least for 2 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour, you can speak, but you cannot speak fluently. You know what, to speak English language fluently, it is very important to think in English every single day. Just make it as a habit. We have to think it every single day. Whatever we are doing, You know, whatever we are doing, we have to think it first of all in our mind, that this thing I am doing. So first of all, think in our mind that yes, I am doing this one. For example, I'm recording my video. If I am just not recording, I'm recording. If I'm not recording, so I would just say that I'm walking. Whatever I'm doing, I will just think in my mind. I will think in my mind that I am doing this work, you know, particular work, whatever I'm doing. I will think it in my mind, and I will just speak it every single day. You know what, why people are able to speak, why people are able to record their videos and they are just speaking fluently, whether they are from village area or city area? Why? You know, the point is they are practicing a lot. They have been, or you know, they have been practicing for years, you know, and every single day they speak at least for 8 hours, 7 hours, 6 hours. I mean, the more time they get, the more they speak, and that thing is making them fluent. You know, they are thinking, they are giving their time, they are just focusing only English language. You may not have so much time, you may have so many works to do, you know, any other work except of English language. So you may not be able to, you know, spend so much time just learning this language. So you may be facing some of the problems while learning it, while speaking it, while just you know, thinking to speak English language, while achieving fluency. So my friend, they also have problems. They also have so many problems, like they have to do work also and they have to learn English, but in their mind the only thing is to become fluent in English, and they work hard every single day. When whatever they do, they just think in English, you know, and that's how they become fluent. If you want to become fluent speaker, if I want to become a fluent speaker, I need to have that kind of, you know, habit, that think in English every single day. Whatever I am doing, speak your mother tongue, but not all the time. Speak for a long time and just speak as many times as you can, as long time as you can. You know, speak English as long as you can. This thing I want to say, and in this way only you can speak English. We can see, if we are speaking at least for 2 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour every single day, yes, I can speak. This is my real experience. I have been speaking English language for a long time, and I speak at least for 2 hours, 1 hour, sometimes 3 hours. But I am not able to speak as you are listening to me, you are watching this video. So whatever I am speaking right now, I have to think in my mind first of all, that what I'm going to share with you, you know, and I'm struggling. I'm making mistakes also. I'm taking some of the pauses also while speaking English language. Why? Because of not thinking, because of not, you know, because of not getting the thoughts at the time. If I want to say something, thought is not coming in my mind. How can I speak that thing? So to think in English first of all, if we want to say something, we have to have words in our mind, then we will be able to speak, right? So first of all, try to just make it as a habit. You know what I used to do, the mistake I want to share with you, so that you may not have to face, you will not have to face the same problem, okay, in your life in future, if you are facing. So let me tell you, you know, before some time when I used to learn English, I used to go outside for a walk and talk to myself, right? So what happened actually, I used to speak at least for 2 hours, 2.5 hours every single day. Sometimes I did not used to speak, but I mean, most of the times I used to speak at least 2.5 hours, okay. But after coming home, I did not used to speak at all. I did not used to even think in my mind anything in English, you know, and I used to become like as I am, like without any English, nothing. just normal person without like I used to speak Hindi language, my mother tongue. Okay, so I did not used to speak at all, and just because of that thing, uh, today I am just facing many problems. I am unable to think in English. If I want to say something, I can speak in English, but I am not fluent. I am speaking, but I am facing problem. I am struggling while speaking. I am not speaking naturally. When we speak like Hindi language, and when we speak our mother tongue, and when we speak English language, you can see the change. You can see the difference. You can see the difference. What is the difference when we speak our mother tongue and when we speak English? So you can understand that where we are now and what we have to do. Okay, we have to speak it every single day if we want to become a fluent speaker, because it's a language. If we are speaking our mother tongue, we are not thinking even for a second. So if we want to speak this language, so first of all we have to spend so much time, to learn this language, to speak this language. We cannot learn it in 6 months or 1 year. There is no any specific time. Okay, I know very well that so many people are aware about it. But why I'm saying this? Because it is reality. We think that yes, I started learning English language and in this much time I can speak it, I can become a fluent speaker. So it is only depend on your practice. The more you practice, the more you speak. Okay, it is the point. If you really want to speak English language, my friend, I would say one thing: just whatever you are doing, if you have time, think in English. Okay, think in English only, in your mind. Think every single day, whatever you are doing, just think in English. And in this way, this is how you can achieve fluency in English. Otherwise you will speak for 2 hours, for 1 hour, but you cannot speak English like naturally. You cannot speak fluently. When you will try to speak something, then your mother tongue will come first, right? So you have to increase the level of English, so that first of all English should come from your mouth. So many people, they just apply the thumbnail on YouTube. They say that English will come from your mouth automatically, but it doesn't happen, right? It happens just because of practice. It happens just because of speaking. Okay, we can speak. There is a only way, and that is practice. Practice makes perfect man. Practice makes man perfect. Sorry, it is the real. In this way we can become fluent, and the only thing is called practice. Practice, my friend, and nothing else. Just practice. And don't think about that if you are making so many mistakes. Don't think that if your grammar is not good. Don't think about that if your pronunciation is not good. According to time, it can be solved. You can speak. There is no problem. When I started learning English, when I started just recording my videos, I was not able to pronounce so many things initially, and I used to think that how can I speak? Why should I record? Why should I just record my videos? Why am I recording if I am unable to speak English? I used to think like this. But I thought that I started watching videos. So many people were saying that before some time when I was learning English. So these kind of problems I was facing also. So when I watched those videos, I found that they were struggling a lot, as comparison of me. So I found that okay, I also can speak if they were facing many problems. So the same problem is I am facing, so what's the problem? I mean, I can just overcome, I can solve this problem. I can speak, I can practice, and I can speak in this way. So now today I am speaking. So I am just facing many problems. I am struggling, but not that much hard. I'm struggling, but not that much, but not too much. I am just I'm feeling little bit comfortable, little bit confident. Okay, so just practice, my friend, and this thing can make you fluent and nothing else, you know. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.